Hello everyone. In this video we will be discussing how to use simple formulae in Microsoft Excel. So here I have created a model in which we will be entering two values, the first number that is X and second number that is Y in these two cells, that is in B1 and B2. And here we have a few operations, for example the sum, the difference, the product, the division and the power, and we will be getting the result in these cells. So let's see how it will work. First of all, we want to add a formula to get the sum of x and y. So as I said before, every formula will start with an equal to sign, and then you need the cell in which the number will be present. So x will be present in B1. As I told you, it's better to go and click and don't type so that you don't make a mistake while typing. And then we will enter the operator here, and here since it is sum you have to enter the plus sign, and then you go and click on the next cell where you have the second number, so that is B2, and you press enter. Now next is the difference. So in the same way you will press equal to, then B1, and then you put a minus sign, and then B2, and then enter. Again for the next cell you need the product, so B1 and the product, and it will be the star or asterisk sign, and then B2, and then enter. Next is division, so again equal to B1, so it's x divided by y, so it's B1 divided by B2. So you should be careful about the slash here. We use the slash in case of division, and then press enter. Now here you get an error message since there is no value in the cell. The error message will be given, and it's okay, fine. Let's move on to the next one. It is power, so equal to B1, and the power symbol you can find it on the key 6. So this is the power symbol, and then you press B2 and press enter. Again here also they will show you a number error message because there is no number in the cell. These error message will vanish when you put the digits here. So now we have created a model and we have put in the formulae, and actually you can see that without the number also you can add the formulae, and then we can put the numbers later on. So here it works like a calculator. We can keep changing the numbers here and you can get the answers for the numbers that you have entered. So for example, I'm just entering two random numbers, 20, and now you can see when I enter the first number, the sum, the difference came as 20, and the product obviously it is 0 because 20, and here there is no number, so 20 into 0 is 0. And then here division also it is error because we cannot divide 20 by 0, and then power is 1 because 20 to the power 0 is 1. So we will be entering the next value. For example, to get a correct answer for division and power, I am giving the number as 2. So you can see the answer for the division and the power also has appeared here. And you can verify these values with the calculator if it is correct or no. And similarly, if there is a difference in the digits that you enter, for example, if the denominator in case of division is greater than the numerator, then it may show up, not in case of division, sorry, in case of exponents or the power. Here if the denominator or the second number is more, so for example let's say if it's 200, you can see there will be an error message here. Okay, so you should understand that this is an error message because of the digits that we entered. So that is how we create a simple model using the simple formulae. Now in case of getting a round number, here in case of the division, if you get a decimal number, for example if I am giving here 3, so you will get a decimal number here. So if you want to make it into a round digit, you can enter another formula called as equal to round or equal to integer, even that is also fine, equal to integer, and inside the bracket you can give this value B7 and you press enter. So you will get an integer value, and if you want to round it, then you have to do equal to round. You have all these formulae in the Excel, so you can use all these formulae to get a round number or an integer number, and you can avoid the decimal sign. So here you for round, if you want to get a correct rounded number without any decimal sign, you have to click on the cell and you have to put a comma, and then you have to write 0 and then enter, close the bracket and enter. So you can see it, the integer value of this digit is 6 and the rounded value is 7. So these are the basic formulae that we use in Excel. I hope you understood the basic formulae that we use in Excel. So thank you girls.